It's home style. Home style.
Hi, today we're going to make air fried chicken. The ingredients are 2 eggs, which you will whisk together for the egg wash. And the spices are salt, pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning. And we're going to use 3 cups of flour. I also added these spices to the flour. So first we're going to wash and clean the chicken, and then we're going to dip it in the egg wash. In the egg wash, and kind of just bathe it in there. I had seasoned the egg, the Cornish hen earlier, so that's where the spices in the egg come from. Normally I would shake it in some flour, but I don't have any bags, so I'm just going to use a bowl. And dip it in there and kind of toss it a little bit. Make sure it's completely covered with flour. I seasoned the flour with paprika, Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, onion, and garlic, and some Cajun spice. Then I'm just gonna shake it because you don't want too much flour on it. You just want to make sure that it's completely covered. Gonna shake off the excess flour, and then I'm gonna place it down in the air fryer. And you can either brush it with olive oil or spray it with whatever spray you have. You just cover it. 375. 15 minutes. And it's done. I'm going to probably reapply some spray and cook until you see it golden brown, and then flip it and do the same thing. So this side looks like it's pretty much ready, so I'm just going to flip it over. And I'm going to spray. Just repeat the cycle. Another 15 minutes. All done. Air fried chicken. Just put it on the more soup. Super juicy. There you go. Air fried chicken. Alright, that concludes my video. Please like and subscribe, and please press the bell icon to get notifications of my next videos, and feel free to leave a comment. Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye!